Welcome back. Finally, biometric system has been installed in the Margao municipality. After much resistance from the municipality employees, the system was put in place. 13 employees out of 92 punched in the system. Chief Officer of Margao, Dipali Naik, said that memos will be served to the employees violating the rules and the system. However, the association claims that employees were not taken into confidence before issuing the circular.
They have agreed in the meeting. We have started it, and we will implement it from today itself. I will initiate action against anybody who has not put, because it will be executed from today itself. We are implementing. I have told them earlier also that if any difficulties are there, on trial basis we will try, they will do, and then on the last moment they are denying this, which is very incorrect on part of the leader of this. 11 सुमार हांवें जेन्ना प्रिंट आउट काडलो तेन्ना 13 जाणांनी सगळ्या सेक्शनाचे एकूण मेळून 13 जाणांनी स्कॅन मशीन पंच केल्लें आसा. बाकीच्यांक ना, तांकां हांव आतां शोकॉस नोटीस इश्यू करतलें, मेमो काडटलें.
Fire incident at Sakwari highlighted sorry state of fire tenders in the fire services department. The fire hose service pipes are ruptured. Sources claim that new pipes are not installed since last 5 years. This came to light when a store at Sakwari caught fire and fire brigade officials had to rush to the site.
Have a look at this. The fire hose service pipes are ruptured. This fire tender is attached to Vasco Fire and Emergency Service Department. The sorry state came to light when a storeroom at Sankwal caught fire. Coconuts were stored in the storeroom. Estimated loss is about 15,000 rupees.
आमी येयले पयले जाल्यार हांगा एक कोकनट स्टोरेज रूम आहा पळय ताका उजो पेटलेलो आहा आनी सगळे सायडीक कितले बीन ग्रास फायर आहा पळय थंयच्यान स्प्रेड जावन भितर पळोवंक गेल्यार आमी एक्सटिंग्विश करपाक होज लायन हे केले आनी आमी स्टार्ट केले. पयले जाल्यार भितर सगळो गार्बेज टायप ते सण्णां बीन सगळे एकटे आसले.
सुत्रा कडच्यान आमच्या कळ्ळें फायर ब्रिगेडींतल्या की तांकां ते होज डिलिव्हरी पायप्स आसा ते फाटली 5 वर्सां जाली हांगासर सप्लायूच केल्ले ना. साकवाळच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Goa Athletic Association is happy with the work on the synthetic track and other athletic facilities being undertaken in view of Lusophonia Games at Peddem, Apsa. Executive Committee members led by Gurudat Natakar inspected the work at Peddem. Secretary Paresh Kamath feels that the track will be laid by the end of May. The Goa Athletic Association plans to take practice events on the synthetic track after the work is completed.
TNT level जो बरोबर असेल त्यामुळे ते ब्लिप आवाज येतो. तरी लेवल इज गुड. मग ते सेन्सर लेवल सेन्सर
गोवा एथलेटिक असोसिएशनचे पदाधिकारी, सेक्रेटरी आणि आमचे वायस प्रेसिडेंट, एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मेंबर हांगा ग्राउंड इन्स्पेक्शनाक आयले एथलेटिक्साचे. खंयचे हाजेर चल्ला तो पळोवपाक. आमी पळोवन हे हॅप्पी आहा. टायमार काम चालू आहा. बाय मे एंड एथलेटीक ट्रॅक कंप्लीट जातलो आनी आमकां आशा आसा. आनी थँक्स टू ऑल द इंजिनियर ऑफ SAG एंड कन्सल्टंट आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स की तांणी एक्सपेक्टेशना प्रमाणे काम केलां आमच्या. आतां मे एंड पर्यंत ट्रॅक हो कंप्लीट जातलो आनी आमकां 1-2 एक्टिविटी पयली सिंथेटीक ह्या ट्रॅकार घेवंक मेळटली ही आशा आसा. चीफ मिनिस्टराक थँक्यू म्हणून सोदता, कित्याक ताणें इनिशिएटीव घेवन हांगा एक्चुली फर्स्ट आसलेलें की फक्त पेड्यान करपाची लुसोफोनिया गेम्साचो. पूण गोवा एथलेटिक्सांनी सजेशन दिलें की बांबोळे सुद्दां मदें पडटा सावथवाल्यांक म्हणून. सो ताणें बांबोळे आमचे एथलेटीक ट्रॅक कन्सिडर केलो आनी पेड्यानूय कन्सिडर केलो. सो एज पेड्यान नॉर्थवाल्यांक आमकां सगळ्यांक हांगा प्रॅक्टीस करून आनी सावथाचे कोण पयशे सुद्दां आहा पळय तांकां बांबोळे लागीं जालो आनी बांबोळे मेन ट्रॅक आसतलो आनी हो प्रॅक्टीस ट्रॅक आसतलो.
use for practice of the athletes. Okay, now our competition will be held at Goa Medical College, Bamboli. But I want to confirm that this quality of this track is equal to the quality of the track being constructed for competition in Bamboli. And on this track also, on completion, you can hold any international athletic meet on this track. That much I can confirm.
If if you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.